Good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate by substitution, or also known as U substitution. So let's start. Let us say we have a given of integral of 8x, 8x times x squared plus 5, squared plus 5 to the power of 4 dx. So in U substitution, the goal is to rewrite the integral in terms of U so that you can eliminate x and make integration easier. No, so you need to eliminate x by using the variable U. So that's our goal, to eliminate x. No, so here the problem is what or which function should we use as a representative of the value of U. No? Typically, when we are picking the value of U in a given function, most common thing to do is to use the inside function. No? So here, the inside function of this given integral is the x squared plus 5. So let us use, okay, pardon. Sorry for the, So let us use U is equal to x squared plus 5. X squared plus 5. Now, we already have the value of U. Then we will get its derivative, which is the du. So, the derivative of x squared plus 5 is simply 2x times dx. Now, what I'm gonna do here is, after this, is to get the value of dx. To get the value of dx, so we will going to divide both sides by 2x. Divide both sides by 2x. So cancel. Let's just put the red. Alchada. So we have a du over 2x is equal to dx. Now, what we will gonna do after this is to replace dx by du over 2x and x squared plus 5 by u. No? So we will gonna replace, and we will gonna use these values. So here we have 8x. Again, we will gonna replace x squared plus 5 by u. So multiply by u to the power of 4. And then dx is du over 2x. du over 2x times. So we can cancel this 8x by 2x. No, it will become 4. No? And if you have a constant inside the integral, you can just simply take it out of the integral. So it will become 4 times, our x is already cancelled here, so we already have, we have u to the power of 4 du. This is already cancelled, no? It's already cancelled. This 4 is from this 2. So let's proceed. After this, we will gonna use the power rule. So 4, and we will not write na the sign of integral, since we are now integrating this this u to the power of 4 times du. So we will not gonna use this sign na, no? So u to the power of 4, by using the power rule, it will become okay, let me rewrite this one. So 4 will become 4 times u. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 5. 5 over 5. du, and then the du will become plus c. No? We will not going to write the du na. No? So, after you get this form, no, this is not the final answer yet. After this, we will gonna substitute, or we will gonna bring back the value of u here. No? So our u is equal to x squared plus 5. Thus, it will become 4 times x squared plus 5, x squared plus 5 over 5. And to be specific, it is to the power 5. Okay. So plus c. Now, this is the final answer, but we can also write it as 4 over 5. 4 over 5 times x squared plus 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 5 plus c. So this is the final answer for this integral. So I hope you notice some pattern in solving this integral by the use of u substitution. So in order for us to master this method, let us solve another problem, no? In order for us to master this u substitution. Let me just delete this one, and then let us say we have integral of 9 sine 3x 3x dx. So again, when we are picking the value of u, we will gonna choose the inner function. So the inner function here is the 3x. So u is equal to 3x. And du, our du is equal to simply 3 dx. Now, after this, we will going to find the value of dx. So let us cancel, divide both sides by 3, no, to cancel. So cancel. So we have du over 3 is equal to dx. Now, we already have the value of u and our value of dx, which is the du over 3. Now, we will going to replace this value here, no? So, it will become 9 sine, and then 3x is our u, so u, and then dx is du over 3. So, du over 3 times. So, after that, we can divide this 9 and this 3. No? 9 divided 3 is just 3. So, if you have a constant, just take it out. And 3 integral of sine u du. Now, we can simply integrate this one, di ba? So, what is the antiderivative of sine u? The antiderivative of sine u is negative cosine u. Cosine u plus c. Or we can just rewrite it as 3 cosine, negative 3 cosine u plus c. Now, after that, we will gonna substitute this 3x in our u here. So, it will become 3, negative 3 cosine u is 3x plus c. And don't forget this c, because this is a very important when we are integrating, no? So, this is the final answer. Negative 3 cos 3x plus c. So, I hope you understand or you get how to solve integration integrals using substitution or u substitution. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.